I have built a travel blog on WordPress. It took me a week. It looked good, but it was very slow. Plus, it also had responsiveness issue. Every time I opened a page, it took me forever to load. Imagine a reader visiting your site and all they can see is spinning wheel keeps going. They leave. So I had to fix it. Solution: CDN. Yes, I have built a new site with CDN. This time it took me only 10 minutes using InstaWP and AI. I have covered that in a separate tutorial, link in the description. Hi, my name is Palak and today we'll talk about why we need a CDN. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. Think of it as a multiple mini copies of your website spread all across the world. So if someone from Singapore opens my blog, they don't have to load file all the way from US. They can get them from the nearest server. That means speed. But the question is, why WordPress site needs it? WordPress sites are heavy. Themes, plugins, media, images, videos, all of this adds up. Like in my case, my site has heavy media files, making my site slow. Without a CDN, your hosting server handles every single visitor. But with the CDN, most of the loads is handled by distributed server. That means faster page, better SEO, and your site won't buckle when traffic spikes. Here is the part most people don't think of: bandwidth. For example, if your page size is 2 MB and you get 10,000 visitors in a month, that's about 20 GB of bandwidth. At 1 lakh visitors, that's 200 GB. So your CDN plan should scale with how much traffic you expect. That's why most managed WordPress setups tie CDN bandwidth with your hosting plan. My blog was picture heavy. Images of beaches, Himalayan track, they are beautiful, but big files. Once I hooked it up with CDN, now the difference is very clear. Page that took 4 to 5 seconds to load now dropped under 2 seconds. Readers are staying longer and Google, it just started ranking my post better. Quick note, if you're looking for an easy way to add CDN without all the manual setup, InstaWP has one built-in, InstaCDN, with server all across the globe. So you don't have to install extra plugins or mess with DNS. It just works. Plus, bandwidth scales with your plan. So you can start small and grow as your traffic grows. I'll attach the link in the description if you want to try it out. Have you ever had a site slow down because of traffic? Drop your stories in the comment and don't forget to like, subscribe and check out InstaWP's new videos.